Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2011 Honda Odyssey. We're just gonna do a quick replacement of spark plug. So we're using this NJK G Power. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so in replacing the bulb cover gasket, we need something. We need this kind of setup, so we'll be using this at the back, so then it's gonna be hard for you to remove those three spark plug if you don't have this. So first, I couldn't actually show it to you because of the location of the spark plug, but you can hold it. So first, remove this one, and doing that, you have this long, long 10 millimeter socket. You can always sneak it in here. This, so it's really hard to show it to you, but I know you couldn't see it. I'm just gonna go. Alright, careful not to drop it. There's the number 10. Alright, so same thing with this, the other one over there. Right there. Again, I couldn't show it to you, but if you have this rod, this one, you can just try to, hold it. By the way, the one on this side, you need to use this one, smaller and this flexible, because this one you couldn't use it. It will touches with this heater hose. Okay, so for the both this and this, you can use this one long socket, and for the third one you need this flexible socket, and then you need to unplug it. I couldn't show it to you, but anyway, just try to figure it out. Same thing what you will do in here, in this side. You gotta squish this, and then pull, squish, then pull. I'm going to show it to you. So again, there's not much enough space. Alright, so in removing this ignition coil, actually it's not that bad though. The only problem is removing the wire. So yes, sometimes you gotta pull it before you can squish. I hope you could see it. Actually, sometimes you can pull this, ignition coil. Press this and then just squish it. Sometimes it's not really working because this one is broken. There you go. There you go. So there's a number already. So the hardest, I think the hardest one is this. Oh. Okay. There you go. So press this. Oh, it's already broken. So you gotta The tab is already broken. Teka. Right. So already remove ignition coil in here. Now over here, this one is a little bit easier. So for this, we're using beam number 10 to remove the bolt. Using it. Using it. Alright. Okay. And squish. Squish. This is a little bit easier. Look. One, two, and three. Perfect. So in removing the spark plug, I said over here we're using 5/8, this kind of setup. Okay. One down. That's it. Oh, it's super black. One down. Let's go down. Let me show you up close. So that's the setup. That's why we're using that, because we don't have enough space. I'm gonna touch the radiator fan. Okay, let's remove those spark plug. Second one. Third one, same thing. Alright. Third one. Alright, let's put on. So we're using this NJK G-Power LKR7BGP-6. Right, let's put it on. So I'm gonna use my this is only rated like I think 25 foot-pounds. So when you feel it got snug, that's it. Then stop. Then you use the ratchet. Okay. Okay. Just make it snug. Don't over tighten it. Then same thing with those two. Right, so third one. Ratchet. Okay, good. Alright, that's nice. Then let's put back all this, ignition coil. Alright, so I guess ignition coil doesn't matter actually. Let's put it on. Alright, this side one is done. Alright, for the rear, we're using this setup. So I think this is 6 inches. Alright, one down. And this one. It's tight, so using ratchet. Loosen it. Okay. It's loose. Right. This is a little bit harder. Hold on. putting it back. So it's just the reverse order again, using this 6 inches 5/8 6 inches extension, this flexible extension, and then 5/8, then using my ratchet. Okay, so it's just the reverse order. I'm putting it back. Yep. First by hand, and there's our ratchet. And tighten it. Okay. Okay, good. Alright. So again, use this one. I'm not gonna show you the rest anymore. I'm just gonna show you after everything is back. Alright, so that's it. So everything is back. Right there. Brand new spark plug. The one at the back, I couldn't show it to you. But again, when you do this, you need this kind of setup, this kind of tool. So 6 inches 3/8 extension, and this 5/8, and then another flexible, and then this, and of course this one, where was that? I think this is 2" for the other one at the front, and then long number 10 socket. Alright, so there you go. That's how you replace a spark plug for 2011 Honda Odyssey. It needs special tools to do this job. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.